Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine, Lego Ninjago Movie. Today's winning engine gets a brand new Lego Ninjago set. And even the losing engine gets a cool Lego Ninjago toy. And the minis have the day off today so they can sit back and watch.
That sounds like a great idea. We could use a break.
Let's get started with Percy versus Douglas. Oh well, nice try, Percy. You picked out a Lego minifigure. Let's put it together and see who it is. It's Jay, and he's got his selfie stick. Next up, Steven versus Billy. And down goes Billy. What toy are you gonna pick? What could be in that bag? It's the green dragon. That looks really cool. And now, Rheneas versus Arthur. Hope you find a toy you like, Arthur.
I want to help you. I'm Ninja Warrior. I know all about Ninjago Movie. Get the green thing over there. Look at camera. Open it. What are you waiting for? I show you how it works now. You put your eye right there by the hole. I show you 8 pictures from the movie. Look.
Finishing up the quarterfinals, Hero versus Rosie. I wonder what Rosie's gonna get. That looks like a fun notebook. Maybe you could start a diary or have a sketchbook. Semi-finals time, Douglas versus Steven. There's still some toys left, Steven. It's a toy phone. It looks like people have been taking selfies with it. Oh, look, there's a secret compartment of stickers.
Whoa! A secret compartment? That's cool!
Douglas goes on to the finals. Who will he face, Rheneas or Hero? Oh, you fell right into the cup. That looks like a good toy. And it's a holographic cup. Look how it changes. Final round, Rheneas versus Douglas. Fast forward mode. Rheneas, there's only one toy left. What is it? It's a secret decoder. You can see things with it that no one else can. Congratulations, Douglas. You're the big winner. You get the Crewmaster's Training Ground set. Let's put it all together.
I think you could use some help from a Power Ranger. Let's go. We just need to get Naya and Zane put together. There we go. And now this section's done. That was easy! Check it out!
Thanks for watching. Have you seen the new Lego Ninjago movie yet? What did you think of it?